Hi, today I'm repairing the airbag on my Golf 5 and I thought I'd make a video for you in case you have this same exact error, so that you can also fix your car if you have this annoying airbag fault. This video is about the 01217 and the 01218 error codes that show up on the driver's and respectively the passenger's seat. This problem is mainly because of a bad clamp that you have underneath the seat on both sides that usually breaks off and the wires connect to each other, and you have that weird and annoying airbag fault on your dash. So before we go to the car and do this actual repair, we have a list of things that you need in order to pull this off successfully. So in order to do this, you will need a cable joiner that you can get at your hardware store, also a wire stripper or any kind of pliers just to strip down the wires, an OBD2 scanner or VCDS so that you can remove the error codes from your car, an M10 Torx spline so that you can remove the seats from your car because we need access underneath the seat, and a 10mm socket to remove the battery bolts because we need to remove the battery just in case so that the airbags do not deploy. The first step now is to disconnect your car battery, so go open up your car's hood and look at the battery and remove the negative terminal first and then the positive terminal. And when we will put the battery wires back, we will connect the positive terminal first and then the negative terminal. Now the second step is to remove the seats, so you'll use the M10 Torx spline for that. Now that we removed the M10 bolts from the seat, we have access to underneath the seat, and now we go to the third step, which is to take a picture of how the yellowish white clamp, the yellowish white airbag clamp wires are connected underneath the seat. It's a 3-wire yellow clamp, and in my case yellow was connected to white, brown to brown, and green to blue. So in your case this might be different, so note down how those 3 wires are connected to each other, because you need to join them directly and basically remove the clamp and join the wires. Now that you've written down or took a photo of how they are set up, remove the wires from the clamp with a pair of pliers and then join them together with the wire joiner in the same way that they were in the clamp that we just removed. Now after you've done that, step 4 is to put everything back. Do a little bit of cable management on that newly placed wire joiner so that the wires don't get in the way when you slide the seat back and forth. And screw the bolts back in, the M10 bolts. And we go to the 5th step, which is to mount back the battery wires in the following order. We put the positive terminal first on the battery and then the negative terminal last. Now the 6th step is to plug in your OBD2 or VCDS to your car and just delete the faulty code for the airbag. Now if you've done this correctly, you should not have that airbag fault showing up in your car and you should be good to go. You might notice now that you have the battery fault code and the ESP fault code on your dash still, but start your car and drive your car for about 5 seconds and those error codes will disappear. And the 7th step is enjoy. You managed to fix your car on your own. Congratulations if you've managed to pull this off. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, and comment down below if you have any questions. Maybe I or somebody else can help you out. Take care and have a nice day. Ciao.